Okay, so we're back to our Saturday Bible study. And I think we're more than a year doing this, right? And we're still on the Matthew book, chapter 5. I think this is the last topic. Maybe we need one more session before we finish chapter 5. So chapter 5 is all about Jesus Christ in the Mount, Sermon of the Mount, and delivering this message. They were saying this took only 15 minutes, but chapter 5, 6, and 7, explaining all the lessons that he want to let us send to us or let us know about. So we're on the last topic. Just recently we discussed the retaliation, like the eye for an eye. We did that last time, and now we are for loving for our enemies. Okay, so let's see if you still remember. Last time we discussed five verses or 6 verses, 43 to 48. Matthew 5:43. Which one is that? You have heard is the same title, right? You have heard because this is the tradition they were following. You have heard.
You have heard. What I say to you.
You shall love your neighbor. They say love your neighbor and hate your enemy. Next is what I say to you. So Jesus make a correction. 45.
Be perfect.
Be perfect.
The good.
Huh?
The good. What?
The
And
good
if you
and
eat
sense.
No.
And if
So that you may be.
So that you may be the children of your Father in heaven. For he makes the sun rise on the evil and on
The good.
and sends the rain on the righteous. No, for
What?
you,
What?
evil on the good.
It
Yeah.
looks like it's cut.
No, it's not cut.
It
It's
looks like
okay. For if you love those who love you, what reward you have? Next is
Be perfect.
be perfect as your.
What?
And if you
I can't see them.
greet only your brothers, and then be perfect. Okay?
It's so hard to see them.
Are you commanded to love yourself?
No.
No.
Let
Why?
me answer.
Gosh.
Why?
Because you should always love yourself.
You already love yourself. Like this morning, whose teeth did you brush? Yours. Whose clothes do you hang in your closet? It's yours, right? So you love yourself.
No, I hate
Right.
yours.
Is there something wrong with that?
With what? Which one?
With loving yourself?
No.
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 What? Don't do too much.
But the wrong thing is, if you do that, you forget to love others because you are too concerned about yourself, self-centered, right? Whatsoever shall be on the right cheek, turn on the right cheek also. Is that means we are okay to be treat us like rags?
No.
No. So why? Forget about that?
No.
Why?
No.
Remember, we have to accept all the
No.
accusations to us without retaliation. Because, one, God said, vengeance is mine. Okay, so you don't be like God. If you retaliate, you act like God. So don't be. Let God deal with it. Okay? Does it mean someone treats you in a way that is less you deserve? Someone takes you to right to dignity that you have, don't retaliate?
No.
Yes, don't retaliate. Right?
Oh, I didn't hear properly.
Sometimes we have to be the blood while Batman
Anvil.
hammers the anvil. Does it mean that we have to take an insult?
Answer.
We have to glass it up?
Answer. Answer.
Overlook it, ignore it? When we are being insulted, we have to...
Clash ball.
Huh?
Answer.
What? We have to take the insult?
Answer.
No.
Yes.
Not talking.
If a man will sue you and the law taking away your coat, let him have your cloak too also. What does this mean?
Give him everything.
He's broke.
Huh? What?
Give him everything. Give it to him. Let him
If
have
someone
Oh,
hate
the
you
extra
and do
mile.
you wrong,
Oh, the
you
extra
make
mile.
like the right action to be at peace and feel sorry that you did him or her wrong.
And go extra
Hey.
mile.
Yeah, do it.
Relatively.
Yeah, do it somewhere. A blank was the one who's the courier.
What? Ah, hit. Let's start with.
He's just so serious.
Agaros.
Ah! What did
If
you get?
something happened to the guy carrying the mail, what's gonna happen?
Just let anybody else do it. Ask anybody else to do it.
Who's anybody else?
Civilian, anyone.
Anyone that they see.
Anyone they see.
Okay? Because the law. He could conscript a citizen, any citizen, on the journey.
Yes.
He was seized by the soldier to carry the cross behind Jesus as he was led away to be crucified.
Simon the Cyrene.
Simon the Cyrene. For the Jews, very humiliating. You are conquered and slave. Much more enjoy to teach you humiliation by making carry a burden anytime. So much rebellion that every Jew has a
Landmark.
landmark of every mile. Like they have a mark. The first mile you are controlled, the second mile you are...
Wait, what?
Oh, no, nakalimutan na.
Wait,
It's the
wait,
third
wait.
time.
Wait.
Free.
You are the conqueror or controlling. First mile you are a slave, second mile you are...
Wait.
Slave mile and
Smile.
smile mile. And
Victor.
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 Return insult with blank. Since it's always someone will treat you blank. Overcome evil with blank.
I'm told you.
Return insults with
Compliment.
good or kindness.
Dang.
There's always somebody will treat you unfairly and overcome evil with
Good.
good. What do you mean by extra mile?
Do more than you're asked to.
Yeah. God is calling out of the land to be separated from people. What is always God calling us to be out of from?
Wait. The others?
What is what is God? Where is God taking out of from? The system. Right? I'll explain this. The system is this in the world. Everybody hates, everybody be lied, everybody's honest. This is the system. God is calling out of from that system, right? He said, listen, I am the Lord your God. You should not do as they in the land of blank. And where you dwell, and you shall not do as they in the land of blank. Where is the people of God rescued from?
Egypt.
Egypt. And where they're going?
Israel.
To Canaan.
Oh.
Okay? So whatever you learn from Egypt, forget about it. Whatever you're gonna see in Canaan, don't follow it because I want you to be different, right? Don't follow any system of the world. That's what it means. Same as today. God is saying, don't follow the system. Everybody lies, everybody cheat, everybody take advantage. Don't follow it. You should be different. You should be fair. You should be honest. Not like what the world today. Okay? Egypt and Canaan. Because God is promised the land of Canaan. Human behavior. When there's somebody who is an enemy and they fall into problem, the best reaction is that
You deserve it.
and the worst problem, if they get the worst problem, what? The
I don't understand this sentence.
So, human reaction.
Okay.
When your enemy has a problem, your reaction is
It is a-
you love it. That's
You
what you
have
got. Huh? That's what you deserve. But if the problem is getting worse, what's you gonna feel?
Guilt. Guilty.
Guilt. But normal people know they're gonna be better. See, the reaction is that. Where's my mouse? There. You love it. Better you like it when it is worse. That's human nature. Yeah?
This is so confusing.
Okay. He preached, indicating the power of message. He laid bare the sinfulness of Israel. And when he was finished, the people were so frantic and then so overwrought and so cut in their heart that they literally screamed